You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. He was a Burgundian abbot, French, venerated at Saint Bernard. How do you say it in English? This is normally pronounced as Bernard of Clairvaux. Bernard of Clairvaux. For reference in French, it is said as Bernard de Clairvaux. Bernard de Clairvaux. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.